Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. As you know, the China Mobile is our parent company and we are a subsidiary of it. So if you see, it's a reflective of a strong bond and cooperation between China and Pakistan. So when we take the learning from China, how they have transformed over the years for the climate change and the China Mobile itself, the working procedures for green and low carbon operations, we have adopted the same strategy in Pakistan as well. As a communication service provider, we have a widespread network of cell sites across Pakistan. So our focus is very much that how we invest in our infrastructure, which is energy sufficient and sustainable in a longer run. So over the years, we have invested to solarize our cell sites. So we have more than 1,000 cell sites solarized, and we have shifted towards the lithium batteries to reduce our carbon footprint and also available our network availability. When we come to the investment sides of looking into the data centers, so we are very much focused at how energy efficient is our data centers because they reduce the greenhouse carbon gas a lot more, and we are solarizing them in a large scale data center as well. So working from this side of the infrastructure where the connectivity is very important for everyone, but how energy sufficient that will be, that is our main focus. So our tier 3 certified data centers reduces carbon a lot, and it also we are focusing on generating 600 kilowatts per year annum for us. So when we come to the sustainable part of the organization, we as a corporate social responsibility, we also look at how we can contribute into the sustainability part as well. So the green drives, the waste management, and looking on these perspectives, this is where we are focused to changing the environment and the structure. So digitalization is a major part which comes in. So how we are enabling the different organization, how we are enabling the green energy, and especially if you see in the floods in year 2022, so how we are enabling the communication, how we are enabling our infrastructures to building for the climate resistant change, and also the elevating them to focus more on speedy recovery and the communication, because these are the important factors which contribute towards when it's communication and linking together.